Greetings, everyone. I was asked if I would make a video for this week's assignment, so here goes. This week we talk about memos. The assignment that is for the Dropbox is about a memo, and there are 3 parts to this assignment. So let's start with part 1. Part 1 is you are to review the memo originally written by Albertina, the operations manager, about cleanup. Now you are to analyze this memo in regards to its tone. So, 1, you are to write a paragraph about the tone of this memo. So you want to do some research on understanding tone, tone of words, tone of voice, and put it to this memo and analyzing it. Please know that a 3-sentence paragraph is unacceptable. I expect a paragraph to be in-depth and detailed, more than just 3 sentences, okay? And it needs to be supported by research. So you're talking about the tone of the memo. Your second paragraph is about barriers to communication. Not necessarily just barriers to communication in regards to this memo, but barriers that can happen in communication in general. Again, it's a full, in-depth, and detailed paragraph. Again, 3 sentences is not a detailed and in-depth. I don't want to put this wrong, and I'm recording it, but I want you to think about paragraphs and detail as being specific, as being clear. This is college, so in college work, our work needs to be more. We need to take it to the next level. We need to take our writing to the next level. Okay, we need to push ourselves. So we need to push ourselves to go beyond what we think, what our opinions are, what our viewpoints are, and stretch our mind. Okay? So that's the first part. 2 in-depth paragraphs, 1 about the tone of the memo, and 2 barriers to communication. Again, they need to be in APA format. They need to be supported by citations, in-paper citations, and references. The third part is the actual memo, and you are asked to rewrite this memo. Now, the memo formatting does not need to be in APA format. Did you hear me? The memo does not need to be in APA format, nor does it need the in-paper citations. But again, there should be references to support why you wrote it the way you did. You are to rewrite this memo, and you want to remember that you have employees that did clean, employees that didn't clean. You want to motivate both of these groups into cleaning on Fridays. And remember, it's tough when a company is downsized, or a company lays off, or a company has to cut back because times are tough. People get real sensitive, they get real stressed, and they get worried about their jobs. So we want to try to do it in a positive manner without demotivating anybody, okay? So that's the 3 parts to this assignment. That's my expectations and what I'm looking for. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.